Hey guys, another Monday. Let's start our Monday market structure review. I think like last week is fairly boring week. Probably nothing really much we would need to discuss. But let's, as usual, we start some stock market and currency market review, and then check the cryptocurrency. We start from NASDAQ. So apparently the market looks strong, right? Really strong, bull market continuation. So nothing much really want to discuss. Got a pump, got support at the 200 EMA line, got a continuation. So really strong right now. For the US currency, last week we expect it to bounce, have a swing failure. Got the daily swing failure. Expected to bounce hard to the daily supply level, which is here. But as for right now, we will need to monitor like whether the currency keep dropping. If it's dropping, then the market structure apparently have break. Then this negatively will be benefiting the cryptocurrency market because the currency market is really weak. So in summary, strong currency market weak. For this week game playing, fairly simple. We will rely on we will tend to think that the market should be going for a stronger trend, stronger momentum. So either it is like sorry, I have already drawn something because this is like I have done for the weekend. So I will make a summary here. So we tend to think that it is like a relief bound because when you check, it is like a long-term consolidation for Bitcoin and also other slow beat for altcoin markets. When other stock market looks strong, the currency market looks weak, it is really hard to think that the crypto market will be stabilized for this area or keep bleeding, right? So natural stance is that it should got a relief bound, right? And especially like last week, we expected to bounce back here and then reject it here. We took a daily short, but close it B, and it got like keep consolidating at this area and cannot be able to drop down. So it's very natural to think that at this area, it is Monday, got a really bound. So some of the other confluence that the funding rate quite negative. Fear of market is at a level extreme, and all the crypto atmosphere is not looking good. Yeah, we are actually discussing bear market, including me, last week. So apparently, the market cannot go all the way that everyone, like 99% of the people think, right? So so I kind of think that really bound or the short squeeze. So two scenarios. One is like really bound to bounce up to this higher range high level. Take the valuable gap here, maybe 64K around this area. And then two options. One is keep short squeezing like 2 to 3 weeks ago. Short squeeze here, short squeeze, and then long squeeze. So you can short squeeze up here, right? Up here. This is one scenario. So that would be like 1 to 2 weeks long. This is one. And secondly, got rejected. So the momentum fade. So reject it back to the range, and then it becomes like a 2022 case or 2019 case, probably 2022 May case. That will be like 1 to 3 tap, right? Ranging at this area for like 1 to 2 months, and then ultimately it got long. But everything including all altcoin market, it got slow bleeding for a long time. Everything is dead, right? And then we can get another like bull like not bull continuation, but relief bound again at this area. So in this case, we can discuss like probably not this week's gameplay, right? So this week's gameplay is like a continuation of the relief bound. I don't want to do the short right now. Not successful for last week. Keep like ranging very tightly. Very boring last week. So if this situation comes out, it got rejected like going down here. Two trigger. One is like we previously discussed at like this area of 42K. We can beat 42K to 44K. We can beat here, and another one is we can beat at the range bound low when it got a free tap. We can expect a mean reversion chain, right, or a bull continuation chain. Also, another thing is like when you check about like a 3-day time frame, it's still like a 3-day bull, right? It is possible to trigger another momentum long, but that will be quite far away for the time because this is a really long term daily level, 3-day level, right? Could be like around October. If it's October, then that would be like a consolidation for 2 months, right? Fairly standard case for crypto market. So very legitimate. So in summary, game playing continuation of the relief bound, and we can see, right? We can see how it is. All right, this is for Bitcoin, and secondly for Ethereum market. Ethereum market, we entered long last Friday. That would be a swing long. We expect to hold it for quite long because like last Friday, last weekend, the atmosphere is there. So we want to counter trade. And also another thing is Ethereum, there's like a liquidity gap, a very massive liquidity gap, and also like a CME gap, very massive. So we can target the end of the CME gap, like that would be higher than 31K, I believe. So when you check, there's a lot of liquidity here. So very natural case. We take a long, got a short squeeze around here, and then we can see, right? This is one. Not interested in taking a short. I got pumped and cannot go lower. So that will be long case. In the future, ultimate goal. This is definitely a spot area of interest, like 16K. We can spot here. Not sure about when will happen, but we can keep monitoring. Okay, that would be Ethereum. Another thing is Solana and representing all of the altcoin markets. So previously we think about like a slow bleed, but it cannot bring it down to the lower side, so it will flip to the opposite side. For Ethereum, if we rely on a long trade, then we also, like last Friday, went in a long swing long. So targeting breaking out of the triangle, it has been consolidated for so many time. It is entering like a last phase of the triangle. So if the direction has been selected and we enter long, we rely on long, then the Solana should be also long as well, targeting similar area as 6R. Ethereum will target 5R. So basically it's like that, and that basically means that altcoins should go to relief. So yeah, that's basically the gameplay. If this is a relief, then definitely not short the altcoin market. Basically, we have also seen a lot of like altcoins keep squeezing out, right? Like rare, like a lot of beer coins, right? Banana, etc. So it can be active. So money should be flowing, rotating to the altcoin market now sooner or later. So I think could be something happening for the altcoin markets at least, right? Not the altcoin summer. Summer will be entering, will be closing very soon. Very boring summer, but at the final stage, it could be checking out some like altcoin explosion, for example, small explosion. That could be possible. So in the future, we can discuss like what will happen next, right? But for this one, I think should be having some relief. Okay, in summary, the stock market goes strong, the currency market go weak, so cryptocurrency should go strong, right, naturally. And we think that Bitcoin should have a relief bound. Ethereum and altcoin market should be going okay. That will be the game plan for the week, but not a long-term projection, right? Really long-term projection, not really that case. But we will need to update the market atmosphere on a weekly basis, and then probably everything could be changed, right? It'll be updated. All right, that we end of the review very quick. I think that concludes everything, and thanks for listening, and see you next week. Bye bye.